I'm about to share with you how you can combine Genusity and Builderall to create multiple streams of income. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you a cool little combination you can do to start bringing money in from all different angles, all over the place, right? You'll be able to check your accounts and be like, oh, okay, boom, bang, and boom. All right. So I need you to follow along. All right. It might seem a little complicated, but it's really not. Anybody can do this. Just follow along. If you got, save this video and watch it over and over. It's more watch time for me, by the way. But if you got to watch the video over and over, do so, because this can be a beautiful income stream. All right, I'm back. Actually, had to take that as my sister from Arizona. But anyway, getting right into it, guys. All right, this is how we do it. You start with Genusity. All right. Now, if you're watching my videos, you know I'm with Genusity, and I'm an affiliate of Builderall, and I use Builderall. All right, so let's get that out the way. All right, so first of all, if you wanted to make this combination, you go with Genusity. All right, Genusity has these devices. They have proximity marketing devices, little devices, whatever, that you can put on. Actually, hold on, let me see if I got mine. All right, guys, I'm doing some serious editing for this video, but anyway, you have these little devices. See, this is one. It's called the BB Sport. You can put it on your wrist, or you can put it on your keys or whatever. Or you can even just keep it in your car, keep it in your pocket, keep it in your purse, whatever. But this little device actually transmit a advertisement up to 50 miles from wherever this is at. All right. So once you join Genusity, it's 15 bucks, right? 15 bucks to become an associate, and you can actually sell these, right? You can just, boom, sell these to local businesses. You can sell them to other marketers. Whoever needs advertising, you can sell these devices. You can also, as an associate, build a team, kind of like the network marketing thing. You can build a team of people who want to sell these, and you get a cut, you know, from whatever they sell, and so on and so on. You know, the network marketing thing. All right. But what's cool about this company is the products are really good, and the compensation, everything just makes sense. All right. So now you get with Genusity, you get one of these devices. All right. You become an associate, all right, for 15 bucks. But if you actually buy one of these, because you don't have to buy one of these to be an associate at Genusity, which is a cool perk, right? But I always recommend people that you do get a device. This is only, I believe, 49 bucks, plus you got to pay for shipping and whatever. But 49 bucks one time, you get your own device. This is good to have because you can actually show people that, you know, if you're selling them, or if you're doing videos like me, you can show people you actually own this. All right, so it's good to go. All right, so you got you're in a Genusity associate, you're paying 15 bucks a month. So then you turn around, you decide to get a device for yourself, right? So now it's only 15 bucks a month to keep your device on, which means it's going to be running 24/7. I said 24/7. 24/7. All right, you're going to have your ad running on this device. So your ad will show up on people's smartphones, Android, iPhones, tablets, laptops, desktops, you name it. Your ad will show up, and it's guaranteed views. All right, guaranteed views. All right, so boom, that's Genusity. Got that out the way. All right, now you go over here to Builderall, right? Builderall is a all-in-one platform for internet marketers. Anybody who is into online marketing can benefit greatly from Builderall. All right, they have video creators on there, email responders, Facebook chat bots. You can create apps, you can create sales pages, funnels, you name it, you can create it with Builderall. All right, so Builderall actually has an affiliate program that you can join and use all of their tools yourself. And that's 49 bucks a month, basically 50 bucks a month. You can become a Builderall affiliate and have access to all of their tools. So you can build as many sales pages, funnels, video pages, apps, chatbots, you name it, for $50 a month. You can have all that access. All right. So boom, you're in a Builderall affiliate and a user, and you're with Genusity. This is what you need to do next. Good to go. Got your new device. All you need to do is create an ad promoting your Builderall opportunity. All right, you can promote the Builderall business opportunity on your device that will be seen by people in a 50-mile radius. So you can say something like, hey, start an online business, with Builderall, or learn how to make a passive income online, whatever. And when these people click on your ads, right, they'll be taken to your Builderall page, all right, where they can actually sign up, join, or whatever. All right. So now that you got that going, you have this system flowing, right? So you got Genusity, Associate, you're getting Builderall, leads and sales, and they're all working together, right? Genusity and Builderall. So here's what you end up with. You're going to end up with an income stream from the Genusity, building a team underneath you if you want. You're going to earn income from that. You're going to earn income from actually just selling these, right, in general, because you don't have to build a team with Genusity. You don't have to. I mean, you should, but you don't have to. You can literally just promote these devices, right, and earn commissions from that and upfront sales, right? So you got first income stream is to build a team with Genusity. Second income stream is just to straight up sell the products up front and earn commissions. The third income stream is from Builderall, being an affiliate of Builderall, which is crazy because that affiliate program is like one of the ones that when people join Builderall, unless they just gonna quit internet marketing altogether, they're most likely gonna keep Builderall for a long, long, long time. All right, so you got the Builderall commissions. That's 3 income streams right there. But here's the 4th one I'm gonna give you. All right, 4. Check it out. When you have your Genusity devices, right, you can easily promote these devices to small businesses, local businesses in your area, or wherever. It's up to you. But say you sell one of these, because these are very easy to sell to businesses. All right, realtors, plumbers, bakeries, fitness trainers like myself. Everybody can benefit from these, and they're super, super cheap. 15 bucks a month once you purchase one of these. All right. So once you make that sale, then you could turn back around and to these local businesses and say, hey, do you need any Facebook chat bots, or what I'm saying, video creation, or hey, I could do an app. Would you like an app for your business? You can literally sell them on the services that you have from Builderall, right? So you can actually create a 4th income by doing like internet marketing for local businesses, and you can do it for them by using the tools that you have in Builderall. All right, so that's 4 income streams, right? You can either pick 2 of these, 3 of these, or all 4. And these 2 companies, Genusity and Builderall, you can actually, build your own little business, right? That's have income coming from so many different places. And it's really cool, guys. I mean, what else can I say? If you want to get started, it's very, very simple. Links in the description, Genusity and Builderall. Hopefully you get the point of this video. Hopefully you're not too confused, but make a long story short, you can promote Builderall on a Genusity device. Bam. Just start there. All right. And you can just do so much, with this strategy. I know this video already super long, but let me just say this real quick. You can even flip it, because even when you're with Builderall, right, you can actually, when you're getting leads for Builderall, you can actually promote your Genusity opportunity to the leads that you get from Builderall. Come on, man. I'm done. You looking for opportunity, make money online opportunity. This is it. I just laid it out for you. Super simple to do, guys. And you can get started doing this today if you want. All right. So, guys, link in the description for Genusity, for Builderall. If you have any questions and you're serious and you really want to get involved and start making some passive income and you're a little confused, you can give me a call, because my number is actually in the description of this video. You can call, leave me a voicemail, or shoot me a text. It's all good, and I'll get with you and point you in the right direction. Whew. This video was long. All right, it was long. Hopefully you made it through. All right, be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.